Hey foodies, I'm Shana and you're watching Recipes Are Simple. Today we're making creamy carrot raita, a refreshingly different raita recipe to switch up your dinner or lunch menu. Goes great with any type of rice dish. Creamy carrot raita is fresh tasting and healthy. So to start off, we need 1.5 cups of thick set yogurt. I'm actually using 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, as well as half a cup of sour cream. This gives us a delicious, creamy, rich, and tangy raita. Add to a bowl, whisk till smooth. Next, we have 1.25 cups of carrot that has been diced and steamed till tender. I add my carrot to a steaming pot and microwave for 2 minutes, and it's just tender perfect. For this raita, we don't want our carrots to be crunchy, we want them to be tender. So to the yogurt, add some finely chopped green peppers and salt to taste. 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped celery, 3 tablespoons of spring onion greens or chives that have been very finely chopped. And then we can add our steamed carrot. Make sure the carrot has been cooled off completely before adding to the yogurt. Mix this well. To season, we add 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Make sure you don't add too much pepper. It should not overpower the dish. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. All this together gives you a delicious, creamy and refreshing and healthy creamy carrot raita. It's delicious with any type of rice dish. It's quite different from the regular raitas. Give it a go and we'll see you next time with a new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye!